The flowers look very fantastic and beautiful. They are blooming frequently, the cool and foggy weather and fresh weather. It looks beautiful, so it uses the varieties, festivals and occasions, and we are charmed to look it. The peacock is the national bird. It looks very beautiful and it has a very beautiful corn. And its colors are different varieties colors. Conversations. Hi Ram, how are you? I am very well, thank you. But why are you not coming and to meeting me? Because I am very busy. I am involving a new job. What is your job? I am involving a teacher's job. So I am very busy, but I am trying also that I can to meeting you as soon as possible. It is very fine. I am waiting to meeting you and you informed to me. Other conversations. Hi Ram, how are you? I am fine, thank you. When will you come here? I am trying to come here as soon as possible. But I have not time. I am very busy to joining the new work. Okay, I am waiting to meeting you. Article A and the A cat, a tree, a pen, an orange, an ox, an eagle, an apple, an igloo. The cow, the cat, the dog, the pig, the tiger. Cat baby kitten, dog baby puppy, cow baby calf, tiger baby calf, lion baby calf, elephant baby calf. Deer baby fawn, horse baby foal, horse baby foal, donkey baby foal. Application that addictions. Through the columns of your system daily, I like to ventilate my protest against that addiction. It's a great regret that we should be inconvenienced in such a way for uncertain period. Present continuous tense. I am eating rice. He is finding to me. He is looking at the stars. I am looking to you. I am coming to here.